So, a DL error on an LG washing machine indicates a door lock issue. This means the washing machine either can't detect the door being properly latched or the door lock mechanism itself is malfunctioning. To fix it, you can try troubleshooting steps like ensuring the door is fully closed, removing any obstructions, and setting the machine. So, here's an example. If your washing machine looks like this, is that it has a door lock issues. Of course, you can see right here, if the door lock is damaged or the error displays persist, even if there are no foreign objects, the product should be checked by a severe or service technician by the LG support. So yes, you just need to inspect the door lock if it helps to listen for latching. If you hear the door lock trying to engage but failing, it could indicate a problem with the latch itself. Better consult with the service technician of the LG.